Welcome to My IRX, your go-to guide for navigating state-specific legal requirements and making life more manageable. Today, we're diving into how you can get a medical window tint exemption in Connecticut. Whether you're battling medical conditions aggravated by sunlight or need extra protection, we've got you covered. In Connecticut, window tinting laws are designed to ensure safety on the roads. But for those with certain medical conditions, these laws can pose challenges. That's where a medical exemption comes into play, allowing you to use darker tints legally. Let's walk through the steps to obtain this exemption. First, familiarize yourself with Connecticut's specific window tint laws and exemption criteria. Each state has its own regulations, including the allowed tint darkness and reflectivity. You can visit tintlaws.com for the most accurate information. If you would like to streamline the process without having all the headache that comes with dealing with doctors and government files, you can visit My IRX, where we can help assist you in receiving a medical exemption over a simple Zoom call. The process has been made straightforward and accessible. If you are someone who would rather do it yourself, you'll need to acquire a medical certificate from a licensed physician. This document should state your medical condition and the necessity for darker window tints. Make sure the certificate includes the doctor's contact information, license number, and is signed and dated. With your medical certificate in hand, fill out the medical exemption application provided by Connecticut's DMV or Department of Public Safety. Be thorough in your responses and attach any required documentation, including the medical certificate. Once your application is complete, submit it to the designated state department. This can usually be done by mail, in person, or in some states, online. Ensure you have all the necessary documents and the correct submission address. After submitting, wait for the state to process your application. This can take several weeks. Once approved, you'll receive an exemption certificate. Keep this in your vehicle at all times, as you may need to present it during traffic stops or vehicle inspections. And that's how you obtain a medical window tint exemption in Connecticut. Remember, this exemption is essential for ensuring your comfort and health while complying with state laws. For more tips and guides on navigating Connecticut's regulations, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Check out our website and don't hesitate to reach out with questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time.